Hello everyone, and here, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. I'm in my city backyard with my beautiful pool, and let me tell you something. When we first were looking for a house long ago, it was me who really wanted a pool. I had put it like on the top criteria on my list for a house because it was my dream. I'm a swimmer. I used to swim in public swimming pools in France, tons of people, it's dirty. I wanted to have my own private pool, which is something pretty common actually here in Texas if you can afford it. What I did not realize is how much it costs in terms of maintenance, chemicals to add, but also how much work it is to take care of it because it gets dirty non-stop. If you look at this backyard here, look at all the trees. It's everywhere. So in the fall, winter, up to spring, all these leaves, they fall. And in a day like today, with all the wind, it's just non-stop. At the top of the pool, but also at the bottom. So a lot of work to clean it, but there's a little thing that can help you a big time. And I wouldn't say replace a maintenance person, but help tremendously. That is a little robot, a little pool vacuum. And today we're gonna open one and test it together in the pool and see how it works. Look at that wind, insane, right? Every time I have a gust of wind, I'm thinking, gosh, more leaves in the pool, no, no, no. Let me show you how bad it is today. Look at all these leaves. At the bottom, they usually get pushed to the edge with the current, but a little pool vacuum robot can get a lot of it out for you. So this little pool robot vacuum is called the Hydro4SE. And what really struck me here is how lightweight and portable it is. Really, it's effortless for you, and it has a very nice cleaning power. It uses a dual centrifugal pump, double suction. You have continuous AC power supply, and it really helps with a thorough cleaning in your pool. It works with an intelligent algorithm enabling a systematic S-shaped path, which means it goes through your pool floor pretty nicely, including on the edges. As you could see, all the leaves accumulating in certain areas, not that easy to reach. Well, I put it to the test and it did reach. So extremely nice here. It has a dual zone filter basket that you can remove to clean. I will show you how to do it. It has 4 cleaning modes if you want to do just the floor, just the walls, or you can put it on auto. It's really up to you here on the cleaning mode. So extremely nice. Let's unbox it here together and put it to work in the pool because I got quite a lot of leaves to be picked up here. So it comes with this little envelope, so it's a warranty card, very small how-to, but honestly you don't need much instructions here. It is so self-explanatory. You just plug it in and press on the different modes and let it run in your pool. It's just that easy. But in case you need, you've got an instruction manual with a code. You can scan it, upload and look it up on their website if you want more detailed, or maybe if you've got some troubles to shoot, you can do that. For me, there was no trouble. I just plugged it in and put it in the pool. What you see here is the control panel with the on and off switch and the different modes. The green light means you've got power, it's on, and if you put it in the pool, it's gonna run. On the other side, you have the filter basket right there that you can open to clean. So brand new, very clean. Just to show you, we will clean it up after it runs in the pool, just to show you how good it works and how much leaves you've got inside. So let's wait for it to go down. It takes a minute to be sucked in to the bottom of the pool and start its little S-shaped run. So I'm playing this part here at 2 times speed, meaning the actual vacuum is going to be a bit slower than what you see here on the video. I selected the auto mode, meaning it's doing the floor as well as the walls, and it's climbing pretty well. You can see the suction power. It's doing a pretty good job on the walls as much as the floors. So we're gonna let it run, and I'm gonna give you my first impression, and we're gonna clean that basket. Love that little robot so far. It's going around the pool, doing its job, the floor, the walls, cleaning, so perfect. The only thing for me, for my pool, I don't have any electrical plug that's really close, so I need to actually go up to the house. And with the cord available, it is not going to reach up to the end of the pool right there. It can only go halfway. But it's my setting here with the house. We don't have any electrical plug that close, so something to think about, maybe having one over there, you know, in the back of the backyard. That would work fine because you just have to plug it back over there. We used to have one. It's unfortunately no longer working. We need to fix it because otherwise it's very portable. So very light and easy to go around the pool and plug it on the other side. So I guess we're gonna have to fix that plug. For you to see, that is the result after the robot running about an hour and a half on that side of the pool. Look at it, the leaves are all gone. So pretty good job, I would say, here. It was toward the end of the day, so I let the robot run. It got dark, I just left it in the pool and picked it up the next morning here to check out how much dirt and leaves it actually vacuumed. And so we are going to open it up and clean the basket together right here. Let's look what's inside. Well, look at that. It was full, literally full of leaves. So if you shake it, the leaves go out, but it doesn't remove everything. So to finish the cleaning here, you need a hose and rinse it with water, which is what we're doing right here. To clean it up, so there is a filter membrane in the middle because it's a dual chamber. If you want to clean it really thoroughly, you need to remove it. Very easy, it slides off and you can remove the dirt from that little basket. And once the chamber filters are clean, you just putting them back in and the robot is ready to go again. Just choose the mode you want, walls, floors, auto. It's really up to you here, depending on where the dirt is in your pool. Here I've got it everywhere, so I do like the auto. And yeah, back in for another round. So I hope you enjoy this video. Cool little robot, right? If you're interested in getting one, I will put the link in the description below. I won't lie to you, it is not cheap, but it comes at half the cost of the equivalent if you were to go to your local pool store. So something to consider here. It definitely helps the cleaning of a pool tremendously. Literally, I would definitely recommend you getting one of these robots if you own such a pool. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, as always, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and happy summer by the pool.